Welcome to the unboxing of the La-Z-Boy 1752898 manager chair. I'm not a manager yet, but someday. Sit on the chair for the job you want, they always say. We're going to be unboxing this today and seeing just how amazing this product is. First, I'm going to lift the box flap up like that. Look at this. Stop. I guess that's it for us today. Thanks for watching. Inside we have two colors of bubble wrap. We've got some excess cardboard. Got ourselves a little snack for later. The La-Z-Boy 1759828 manager chair comes with Comfort Core Plus technology. As you can see, there are teeth inside. There's a bit of a tongue here, and then there's these different layers of Comfort Core there for your comfort. Comfort Core. Yes, sir. Many warnings to let you know what not to do. Look at the way the packaging just slides off. Very nice. Ooh, look at that. So organized. Got your instructions. Wheels. This thing. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Here's a shot of all the parts and pieces laid out. As you can see, I've divided them into mechanical, hardware, and miscellaneous. One thing I find quite captivating is the perfect five-pointed star shape of the base here. I gotta say, I really like the La-Z-Boy 1752898 manager chair. It has plenty of Comfort Core technology to protect my ample backside, and it only had about 16 screws to put the whole thing together, so assembly was pretty easy. Plus, I got these super awesome tools for free that I get to keep, including the ergonomically designed Allen wrench. My one complaint, I've been sitting in this chair for about 15 minutes. Nobody's made me a manager yet.